I've been there, y'all. That place where your heart feels shattered into a million pieces. You've cried in secret, smiled in public, and questioned if your heart will ever stop hurting. But listen to me. God is closer than your next breath, and He's not ignoring your pain. You didn't find this video by accident. This is your moment of healing. Stay with me. Y'all, heartbreak feels like something inside you has been torn apart. Maybe someone walked away. Maybe life hasn't gone how you prayed it would. But I need you to hear this. God has not abandoned you. Psalm 147:3 says, "He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds." That's not just a Bible verse, it's your promise. God sees the pieces of your heart, and He's picking them up, one by one, with so much love. You don't have to be strong all the time. You don't have to fake a smile. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this truth hit me so hard when I was going through my own heartbreak. I realized that God wasn't just watching from afar. He was right there, holding my broken heart in His hands, and He's doing the same for you right now. Now listen to this beautiful promise in Isaiah 61:3. God says He'll give you beauty for ashes, the oil of joy for mourning, and a garment of praise for the spirit of heaviness. Y'all, the pain you feel right now, it's not your ending. It's the beginning of something deeper, I promise. This is a season where you find your strength not in people, but in His presence. So breathe, okay? You are not forgotten. You are not unloved, and you will love again. God is restoring you. Not just to who you were, but to who you were always meant to be. Let me challenge you. Take some time today to just sit in God's presence. Talk to Him about your pain. Let Him comfort you. Because y'all, that's where the real healing begins. In those quiet moments with Him, you'll start to feel your heart coming back to life. Y'all, if you believe this word is for you, type Amen in the comments and let the healing begin. Don't scroll past. Share this with someone who needs it too. And if you want more videos that speak to your soul, subscribe now to Faithfully Whole. God is not done with your story, He's just getting started. Type Amen if you receive this, and let's walk this journey of healing together.